Exodus 12, verse 49. One law shall be to him that is homeborn, and unto the stranger that sojourneth among you. In other words, one law means equal protection of the laws. Homeborn means natural-born citizen. A stranger means an immigrant. Sojourneth means come to live. So the verse says one law, or equal protection of the laws, shall be to him that is homeborn, in other words, a natural-born citizen, and unto the immigrant that sojourneth among you. In other words, there's going to be equal protection of the laws. In other words, citizens are going to live under the same laws as immigrants do. Exodus 12:49 follows a few verses which explain that strangers don't merit the full rights of citizenship until they meet all the qualifications that citizens can. Verse 49 concludes that once they meet those qualifications, they should immediately be given all the rights of citizenship. An application of this principle would be to offer immigrants citizenship as soon as they learn English and how our freedoms work. As soon as they show a responsible work history, pay taxes, repay any emergency hospital bills, and not do anything that would be a crime if a citizen did it, as a condition of legal permanent residence and later of citizenship. For example, any immigrant who earns a 4-year degree from an American university has met these requirements which citizens meet and merits citizenship. An additional requirement to stay off welfare or else repay it is more complicated to biblically evaluate, since by biblical standards, welfare for citizens should be limited to a small fraction of what citizens lean on today. Israel had a little true government welfare, but most of it was through private charity and subsidized opportunities to work, such as being allowed to glean fields. Exodus 12:49 specifically says strangers couldn't observe the Passover until they have been circumcised. A circumcision was like a very serious loyalty oath. In an age of toilets outside buildings, men knew who was circumcised. Only Jews were circumcised, and surrounding nations hated Jews. So becoming circumcised was a way of renouncing loyalty to another nation. It burned bridges. It made it harder to return. In addition, it enhanced sanitation and health. Literal circumcision today is not the visible, irrevocable loyalty oath it was then, especially since it is not required of citizens today. But this principle would justify enhanced loyalty oaths that require a renouncing any political or religious authority that calls for violence upon our freedoms of speech and religion or our Constitution, combined with criminal background checks. It might also justify requiring guest workers to report a sponsor who would monitor changes of address, work history, and any criminal indicators such as substance abuse. Our laws could even offer a financial incentive for immigrants to voluntarily cooperate with immigration reporting requirements, reduced immigration processing fees, in exchange for reduced need for immigration manpower through progress reports and tests submitted on machine-readable forms, and working with NGOs, that is, non-government organizations, charities, and churches, to submit background checks to assist ICE agents. NGOs could receive a rating for accuracy, which would raise the fewer of the immigrants they approve that turn out bad.